the latest technology really reflected the evolution, not only in the understanding of RFA, but also the evolution of electronics and electronic technology closely associated with mobile phones. Digital signal processing, Bluetooth technology was all encompassed in this instrument, which not only had a very elegant digital display, it also had my traffic lights, which appeared to be able to give some indication. Of course, it has the ability to make those two measurements and record those two measurements and upload data via Bluetooth to the cloud. So a very functional and very simple to use instrument, but literally packed with technology, but in a way that's entirely reliable and accurate. And that is important. So there are many papers. There are literally thousands of papers that have used Osstell, have used RFA technology to become the benchmark to understand implant performance. But I picked this one as an assessment of reliability, accuracy, and precision. And what it says is the results of the study imply resonance frequency analysis system, Osstell, presents perfect reproducibility and repeatability. That gives us confidence as clinicians that what we're measuring is correct.